Hi everyone, I'm Delvin Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. I'm here at one of the most expensive and exclusive route, known as Nassim Route. Today I'll take you on a journey to discover this prestige and luxurious project called Nassim Jade. Come, let's go! Nassim Road is widely regarded as the most luxurious and prestigious street in Singapore. Notable properties in this area have achieved impressive sales price recently, such as unit at Le Maison Nassim sold at 5,727 per square feet, and the unit at Nassim Park Residences sold at 4,785 per square feet. Even landed properties have transacted at 4,005 per square feet for the land cost in 2023. Here we are right in front of Nassim Jade. Nassim Jade is a freehold condominium situated in District 10, completed in 1999. This prestigious development comprised two 4-story blocks with a total of 39 units. It enjoys a prime location with Orchard Road just a stone throw away. Residents have easy access to a multitude of shopping malls like Tanglin Mall, The Forum, Ion, which are all just minutes away. Some good hotels are just nearby like St. Regis Hotel, etc. The closest MRT is Orchard Boulevard MRT, which is the Thomson East Coast Line about 850 meters away, which is about 10-minute walk. And the Singapore Botanic Garden are just about 1 km away, which is about 15 minutes walks. Before I show you the beautiful unit, let's take a moment to appreciate the facility of Nassim Jade. Despite being 20 years old, the condominium is exceptionally well maintained. Just look at the stunning swimming pool with a greenery backdrop. Other facility offers including covered car park, barbecue area, gym room, multi-purpose function room at right behind. Everything you need for a luxurious and enjoyable lifestyle. Now let me show you this beautiful penthouse. As we enter, there's an inviting powder room to welcome your guests. The living hall has a high ceiling, creating spacious and open atmosphere. And don't miss the balcony on the right hand side, offering a lovely pool view. On this floor, we have the master bedroom with walk-in wardrobes and the junior suite, each to its own bathroom. Moving on, there's a spacious dry and wet kitchen as well as a dedicated washing yard. Additionally, there's a maid's room with an attached toilet and a storeroom for added convenience. On the upper floor, we have the common bedroom, a study room that can be converted to a bedroom, and a cozy family hall, perfect for relaxation and quality time with our loved ones. Last but not least, we have this open space roof terrace. Imagine sitting here enjoying the sunsets with a cup of coffee. Thank you for joining me on this home tour. If this remarkable unit have caught your attention, feel free to contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Delvin Lim from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division, signing off. I look forward to assist you in making this exceptional property your dream home. And do watch out for my next luxurious property home tour.